Max Your Journey. What's going on? This is a tribe. You need to join the tribe by hitting the subscribe button. You also need to smash that thumbs up. And you can stay in the loop by hitting that notification bell. We give to you camping content, adventures, trips, family laughs and gaffs. I don't even know what that means, but we give it to you right here at Max Your Journey. So let's get into it. All right, Max Your Journey tribe. I have to wrap some of Dana's stuff. As you can see, I got two things right here. And I'm going to do it as bad as possible. I am not going to try to be cute with any of this. I'm going to wrap it up just like the memes are, because I thought it was all right in these little bags right here. It's still a surprise. You open it and hey, you don't see through these bags. But I would think she want me to put a little bit more effort into it, and it might be appreciated. So I'm gonna wrap these as bad as possible. I'm just a helpless dad, so let's see. Hopefully it looks dad enough. First things first, you need excessive paper to make it a dad gift. So minimum cuts as possible and just wrap it all together. Looks like a hard tool or something. I'm gonna put all this all over it. She won't even know what it is. All right, so as you see, I made my nice cut. We do got this extra. I don't need the scissors no more. I can just fold it 5-6 times. She won't even notice. Now look at that. It took me 30 seconds. I think she's gonna love that. I mean, look at that. It almost looks like a little platform to lay on. You flip it over like that, you can't even tell. So it's like a surprise and a surprise. And it looks bigger than what it is. So, you know, if you don't get a big gift, she can think it's a big gift because it's like, wow, look at that package. Then you flip it over, you're like, oh man, it's a little smaller. But it works, you know what I'm saying? Minimum tape, minimum cuts, time saved. I'm done. So I don't even really know. I'm gonna have to question why it takes her all night on some of these things. But that's done. Now I gotta get her other big gift. Let's go. All right, so as you can see here, the edge isn't as pretty and I kind of ripped it, but it's almost like when you lay in floor, you can hide that because you're gonna throw like quarter round down. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but it's going to be hidden anyway. And if you really think about it, it's all going to be in the trash like 30 seconds after it gets touched. So let's get back to it. All right, so I'm running into a little bit of problem here. I'm thinking I could just bunch all this together, but I think it can look a little bit better than that. It's a little rough around the edges like myself. So it does have a little bit of those touches on there. I think I did pretty good on that side. But let's see. Camping is my thing, not rapping. So let's get this side looking good. You know, I gotta represent for the dads out there, and most importantly, all men across the earth are dependent on. All right, you ready to see how this box ended up? I even left like a little cool little pull tab, I guess, not not on purpose at first, but it does serve a purpose. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let's check it out. So you see, like I was stuck on this side because it was just so much, and like I said, it's minimum cuts and quick time. So she can literally probably just grab this and rip it open. So I'm thinking ahead. I think she's really gonna see the effort into it. But so look at that. You can't even really tell. Like, come on now. It's all how you place it by the tree too. So I think I did pretty freaking good. Look at this. Look at that. Voila. And that's how it's done. That's like her big gifts. I'm definitely gonna do the other ones even worse. So not too bad. Not too bad. Look at that. Socks. These are like some fancy glasses. I do want to say, hope y'all had a great Christmas and realize it ain't about the gifts. It ain't about what they look like. It's about time with family. And I know she's going to get a laugh out of this. So hopefully you guys are laughing at me. And I'm not kidding. I don't like wrapping gifts. So yeah, kind of sad this is real life, but hey, it's also fun and somebody else gets to have fun from me. So y'all have a Merry Christmas again if you're seeing this, and just have a great new year and max your journey right here with us, guys. I'll see you in 2021. Blessings from us, and y'all have a safe one. All right, I was done with the video, but dude, I wrapped these socks so quick and so good, burrito style. Look, check it out. Got us some socks, little soft 2-pack. Literally rolled them in there like a burrito and just fold the sides. Done. 30 seconds. I don't know what would be taking these people so long. I know it has to look good to some people, but burrito style.